guys, today I will be saying great thumbnail and title. So the first one would be first step is to add suspense to your thumbnail title. What I mean is add a title that's at the end of the movie, at the end of the video. Add some for the thumbnail. You should show something at the end of the video, but a small part of it. So then they would want to wait to the end of the video so they can see what the thumbnail meant. For the title, it doesn't really matter for this, but you could try to work around that. But for the title, this one isn't really for the title, it's just for the thumbnail. The second one is just for the title. Click and search title. So what it would be is basically instead of just having how to grow on YouTube, instead you would have maybe how I gained 10,000 subscribers in 1 month on YouTube. And then there would be another bit for how tips to grow on YouTube. And then there would be, and so you would rework it. So you would have a simple title, but then say my weight loss journey, but then make it more interesting so people would probably click it, like how I lost 40 pounds in 1 month. Or then, and then another part of it will be your original boring title, like simple title, like my weight loss journey to rank in searches. Number 3 would be clickbait, and your clickbait shouldn't be too big. Shouldn't have too much clickbait, because then people would probably dislike the video. And clickbait as in like the thumbnail is a good clickbait thing. Thumbnail is clickbait. So basically add maybe something in the video, but change it slightly to make it more appealing. So if you lost 10 pounds in 1 month for that other one method, you might say something, you might change it slightly to make it more interesting and eye-catching for the viewer. And number 4 would be just make the title search for keywords. So anything that would be popular on YouTube. So to rank in searches. So say you're a gaming YouTuber. Maybe like popular games like Fortnite or Minecraft. And then if you're a vlogger, maybe do like when my trip to say Alton Towers or something, or my trip to Disneyland. So make it search for keywords and put them in your video. And also, description is a good one, but that's not the topic of this video. I'll do that in the next video, in another video. So bye guys, for more growth tips, gaming and shorts content, and also some vlogs. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to see all my upcoming videos. Bye.